Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Chicken Alfredo Spaghetti style. Creamy and tasty. Try it out like you are eating at Pasta Mania. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the chicken into bite size. Slice the mushrooms. Dice the onions. And that's all for the preparation. And the cooking begins. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and oil into boiling water. Add in the spaghetti. After 8 to 9 minutes, drain the spaghetti. Heat up a frying pan at medium heat. Add in 1 teaspoon of butter and oil. Add in the chicken and add some salt and pepper. Cook until 80% done and remove the chicken. Add in the onion and cook till soft. Add in the mushroom and saute them. When almost done, add in garlic and stir for 10 seconds. Turn heat to medium-low and add in the heavy cream and milk. Put in 2 teaspoons of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Add in the chickens. Add in the spaghetti and mix them up. add in some grated cheese. Simmer till the sauce is absorbed by the ingredients. Turn off the heat and add in the parsley. Mix well and it's done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!